Good morning, guys.
Morning. Good morning.
We're going on a hike today with Mr. Battissimo and Miso. You can't even see him, but he's gonna be crying soon. Regional Park with these little munchkins, and of course Button already took a little poop. What are you, a slow walker, huh? He's slow, come on. What's the hold up, bud? You think we're gonna make it through this?
Hope so.
Miso, you having fun so far? Look, your leg's caught. Here, let me help you. Your leg's caught. Your leg's caught. Your leg's caught.
Come on. Come on, buddy. Miso.
He's tired, I think. Uncle Vick's gonna hold you, huh?
Come on, here's a test.
Come on, Miso.
Come on.
Come on, Miso. Come on. You can do it.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Miso.
Come on. Come on.
Stairs. There you go.
There you go.
Good boy.
Come on. Come on.
One more.
Miso, come on. Come on. Miso, right here. Come on.
Remember what we learned yesterday.
Come on, Miso. Yeah.
You guys are cute. Bun's already got stuff all over his face. We found the pond. Good job, Miso, on your first hike.
He did a great job. He was a little tired earlier, so I just picked him up for a good 5 minutes and he finished off the trail.
Good job, Miso. I think you deserve some food. Oh my God, Miso. You left one, bud. Miso's doing great, Brian. He's doing, look at these stairs. Look at these stairs. Okay, watch, Miso. I'm gonna go from back here though. Come on, Miso.
Come on.
You got it. Come on, Miso.
Let's go.
You got it, bud. There you go. Good boy. You got it. Center. I'm just letting the dogs eat a little bit and drink a little bit of water before we head back. Miso.
Oh my God.
So Miso doesn't like to chew, he likes to inhale. I've never heard him chew any food at all. Never heard a crack of any kind of kibbles. Button, on the other hand, likes to take piece by piece and slowly eat his food. You see here we have Miso trying to get more food, but I don't think he actually knows how to jump up. Or maybe he does know how to jump up.
He does.
But I just put Button up there to give him a chance to eat it before Miso gets to it. We made it back.
We're at the doggy park.
This is Miso's first time at the dog park. Guess who's excited though? Just guess. Button! to Brian's house to drop off Miso, and apparently he's supposed to be making us some really good shrimp.
Oh, we gotta text
I
him.
already did.
Okay.
But Vic doesn't like shrimp, so we'll see how that goes.
It's supposed to be fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp makes it okay.
So we'll try it. It's gonna be an attempt.
We'll see when we get there.
Look at the smile on his face. Look at him.
It doesn't taste like shrimp.
So you can grab another handful.
Huh?
What's it taste like? You can grab the tail since you're holding the dog, so you're not gonna eat the tail anyways.
I don't know.
It's like shrimp.
Does it taste like shrimp? Nah, it doesn't taste fishy enough.
See, that's the thing. If it tastes more fishy, you wouldn't like it.
It tastes like bad shrimp.
Huh?
Miso.
Okay. Miso's back home. We got our shrimp, and I am headed home. So we will see you guys
Sometime soon.
God damn it. The world is against us, babe.